I did a video 2 or 3 or 4 years back about how I use wax warmers to help take candles like this that have burned themselves down, to chip off the wax, put them in a wax warmer so you can still get some of that wonderful scent and fragrance in the air. But something that I also have used these wax warmers for is for when a jar candle, gets burned down to the point that you can't really light the wick or it won't stay lit. You can also take that wax warmer and put your solid candle on it, let it get warm, and it'll get to the point where it liquefies your wax. You can see there where the wax is liquid. And in doing that, you can still get some life out of that old candle and release that good smelling scent into the air so that you and others can enjoy it, and you get a little more for your money because you are extending the life of a candle by getting the fragrance out of that good smelling wax without having to just toss it in the trash or without having to take a knife or something and chisel the wax out, so to speak. So that's just one more use that I wanted to let you know about in case you haven't done that. Some people will buy candles specifically to put on the wax warmer, the candle warmer, and I do that as well sometimes. But generally, if I've got a good candle, I will burn it down as far as I can, and then it will get to the point where it's like this one, where the wick will not stay lit because there's just not enough wax. In fact, when this one, once it turns back into its solid form, it will not have nearly as much wax here. It will be about 2/3 of this or less, but it will not be enough for the flame to stay and that wick to keep burning. I was going to have to toss it out, and since this is a candle that I bought it a couple of years ago, and I really, really love it. It's from Fredericksburg Farm, and it's a spiced chestnut, but they don't make it anymore, or I can't find it online anywhere. But I love the scent, and so I thought, well, before I toss that out, I'm going to put it on the wax warmer, the candle warmer, and that way I can still enjoy it some more. You can do the same, and it's just one more way to tame a little frenzy at home and to stretch your dollars.